Okay, as requested, we're going to do some sound test of the Soundcore Rave Mini. I did a previous review. You can probably find that in my videos. It was just a real quick review. It was not real in-depth. It's been about, I don't know, I think like a week and a half, I think, since I did that first review. Letting people know about the non-functional bottom tweeter that was designed that way by Soundcore. So, shame on them for that, but they do have a nice unit as far as sound goes as well. You know what? I may as well turn on the lights for those that's important for. It's not really a big need of mine, but maybe you'd like to see that. I guess it doesn't hurt anything to show you that. This sound test will be with the bass up feature on. This is fully charged. I'll get to the sound test right away here so that you're not just waiting and waiting. And then I'll speak a little bit more about the Soundcore Rave Mini after this song. It's about 2 minutes and 23 seconds. All right. So that was Dragonfly, is off of the YouTube music database for non-copyright issue songs. That was given to me by a kind gentleman in the comments. I'm sorry I didn't look at your name, but thank you very much for putting that in the comments in my first little mini review of this. So the Soundcore Rave Mini is just a great package. It serves me really well. My particular use, I do mobile sharpening, and I sharpen tools and implements at a farmer's market, and I use this for sound at the farmer's market, just to play music, kind of create a fun atmosphere at the farmer's market. So it's kind of a large area that we're trying to fill with sound. I just always have the bass up feature on because, well, in a big open space, bass gets kind of sucked up unless you have a lot of large woofers. So I always have the bass up feature on. I don't think I've ever played it without the bass up feature on. that gives just extra bass impact. I don't have to turn it all the way up at this farmer's market in this large area. People are always commenting how great it sounds and thanks for having the music. I think that it is a really good mix of value for your dollar. It's about $150. I got this at Walmart. I'm going to be getting another one to pair, so that I just kind of have that in my arsenal as far as, like I had said before, taking it to some sand volleyball or having a grill out at my place. I have a larger property at around 2 acres, so I need to have a lot of power to get out into the main area in the backyard here, where we play volleyball and stuff. So just having 2 of them is a really attractive option. I don't believe that this is one of those situations where you can just pair multiple units together. I think you can only pair 2. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments there, but that does. I would like the option to pair more than just 2 together. So that could be some friendly feedback to Soundcore, Anchor, who makes Soundcore. I would like it to be able to be paired with more than just 2 of them together, because I know that JBL has it where you can pair as many, I think 100 or something ridiculous. Not that you need that many, but I would like that option if I really had a big shindig or whatnot. These are just a great little package. I guess to give you an idea of size, I mean, just kind of seeing with my hand here, it's about as heavy as a jug of milk, and it's I mean, you can carry it somewhere really easily. I did see when I was at Walmart to buy this, they had the regular size Rave, and it looked impressive, but I didn't think that it was something that I wanted to lug around. I mean, to give you an idea, it was probably around twice the size. I'm sure it has even better sound. I'm sure it really does do well. So if you're looking for something that is even louder than this after checking out the Rave Mini, you could go that route for the regular size Rave. But what I didn't like about it was that it was not waterproof. I just wanted to be able to set it up, out in the yard and not worry if, oh no, it started sprinkling, or it started raining, or I don't want to have to be running around trying to grab all my electronics and keeping them dry somehow when I'm out in the middle of my backyard. So this was just such an attractive option with its waterproof rating, with its sound, the price. It really comes together, and I think I hope that it pushes JBL to maybe become a little bit more reasonable in their pricing. I know JBL has the name, and maybe that's what they're really trying to make more money off of. JBL has good sound. It they do a lot of things right. I just don't buy into the exposed base radiators, which this has the protected radiator on the back, which I talked about in the previous review. But anyways, if you guys have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them in the comments section. Always just want to help anybody out with anything audio. I love my sound. I love my tech toys and whatnot, and so any questions, you let me know. I'll try to answer them as best I can. Sorry this got a little long, but hope this helped some folks out. Bye bye.